How to delete resume on LinkedIn app? Let's see how to do it. First of all, open your LinkedIn app. Tap on jobs icon. Tap on preference. Here you can see my qualification. Tap on. Tap on three dot icon. Tap on delete. By this way, you can easily successfully delete resume on LinkedIn app. Thank you so much everyone. Stay connected for more updates. Subscribe our channel.